Welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually unboxing the new product from Wink White. It's called Intensive Serum, which just released a few months ago, and they just had like a first 200,000 delivery made on last Sunday. So let's unpack it. Hey guys, so this is actually the package. I ordered to test myself, I think buy 3 get 3 or something. Yeah, they have like a lot of promos, so you have like buy 1 get 1, which is for 80 bahts with free deliveries. You have buy 2 get 2, which is 880 bahts with free deliveries. But the most interesting and very good promotion is buy 3 get 3, and you will get like for acne cream, for free, which is 1,280 baht. Buy 5 get 5, 2,100, and you will still get that tube for your acne, like a cream type. And every product of Wink White is free, as in free delivery. So yep. So apparently the intensive serum is kind of like this. Yeah, this is the CEO. She's very beautiful. Yeah. Now let's unbox this. Let's see. Oh my god, look at this. So this is the gel. Because I have a lot of acne, so I chose the anti-acne gel. So you can choose whether this or the red one. Okay, so now this is the box. So the packaging is awesome. So to know whether it's a original brand or a copy, we always have this sticker here to tell this is the product of Wink White. Okay, so don't buy anything which doesn't really have sticker, because it's very dangerous. Okay, for example, the jelly also have a sticker around here, or the pure collagen, which I always drink, also have a sticker here. You know what I mean? So yeah, I bought like three packs. So I got 3 and another 3 for free. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. So anyways, this is the tiny box. Look at it, it's so adorable. The packaging, it's awesome. So I will try using this. I'll open one and test it out. So they said that it's good for your acne also. So wow. Okay, this is the manual. Have like a thing here. It's very cool. Last but not least, ตัวพระเอกของเรานะครับ Oh, oops. Oh, look at this. Look at the tiny adorable thing. So yeah, I will go and prepare my hair and stuff first, and I'll be back. So hey guys, I'm gonna test the thing. Before I do that, I am gonna clean my face because I did makeup today. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Japs makeup remover. I think that's my favorite. Anyways, I have cleaned my face, but I will wash my face with my face wash first, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back from washing my face. My face is not totally clean. Let's see. I'm gonna drop it like smells so good. Look at that. Oh my god. Shines a little. It's คือเขาเรียกว่าอะไรอ่ะซึมไวมากทุกคนบอกเลยทาเรียบร้อยค่ะทุกคนยังไงบ้างคะคือเขาบอกว่าสิวมันจะยุบลงแบบต้องทาต่อเนื่องนะคะ like you need to use like daily to make your acne goes away. I will probably test for 1 month and make a review out of it to see how less my pimple goes. So anyway, stay tuned guys. Hey guys, for those who want to order Wink White products, I am a distributor. ใครที่อยากสั่งนะคะทุกคนก็สั่งได้เลยใน IG อันนี้นะคะแปะลิงก์แล้วก็ ID ไว้ที่ description ละกันนะคะอันนี้คือหน้า IG เลยเรามีทั้ง IG แล้วก็ Facebook Page นะคะเราติดตามมาได้เลย รโมชั่นดีๆแบบนี้หายากมากเลยนะโอเคก็วันนี้ก็ Open Box Unboxing ของ Wink White Serum มาแล้วเดี๋ยวจะลองใช้สักเดือนหนึ่งดูแล้วก็ทำเป็นแบบรีวิว before after ให้นะคะก็ถ้ายังไม่ได้ติดตามช่อง YouTube ของเราก็กด subscribe แล้วก็กดกริ่งเพื่อที่จะมี notification มานะคะเราอัปโหลดวิดีโอทุกวันศุกร์พยายามนะคะโอเควันนี้ลาไปก่อนนะคะสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบาย